In this video, we're going to talk about the steps you need to take to get into voice acting and share some tips to help jumpstart your voiceover career. First off, what is a voiceover? Now, to put it simply, voiceovers help content creators share information, bring stories and characters to life, and most importantly, connect with audiences. Every industry needs a voice at some point. There are so many opportunities for voice talent as content creators are quickly realizing the importance of voice in an audio-first world. Most aspiring voice actors land their first job at an online marketplace like Voices. The first step to starting your voiceover career is to set up your Voices profile. Fill it out completely and add a couple of demos to highlight your skills. So what types of jobs are there? You'll see everything from traditional voiceovers for radio and TV commercials to animated films, audiobooks, podcasts, and dubbing projects. And also newer projects like e-learning, voice assistants, and voice tech projects. To establish yourself as a voice actor, it's a great idea to get familiar with different kinds of projects. An easy way to do this is using sample scripts from our website. As you go through the sample scripts, you'll become familiar with industry terms. Understanding the terminology will help you find the right voice acting opportunities for you. Announcers may be voice actors who introduce segments on live television, radio broadcasts, sporting events, podcasts, and so much more. It's important to note that announcer is also a style of voiceover delivery, which tends to be highly engaging and easy to understand. Narrators are voice actors who specialize in audiobooks, documentaries, educational videos, business videos, and audio guides. This is a long-form narration, often the marathon of voiceover. They can narrate a variety of exciting content by taking on various roles and characters, creating great stories for listeners. Terms like talent, voiceover artist, and voice actor are used interchangeably in the industry. They all refer to talented voice actors like you. So how do you stand out in a sea of voice talent? Your brand serves as a key differentiator, outlining your unique skills and background while also helping you to appear exactly where clients are looking. So even as a beginner voice actor, you should have a profile on a voiceover marketplace where clients can find you, hear your voice, and hire you. I hope this was helpful. As always, happy auditioning, and we'll see you in the next one.